So 2026, open the AI and make it car. This video is meant for you. And then about sure nature hold up back for who start say we create social media no so and chase car bit me about home. Me did Kwaku Maxwell. Me try AI okay, and very simple. If the video back for home come. First one, a rescue video, your car unveiling video, your skeleton stories, and a Stegman videos. Make sure you create all these videos in 2026. Now also what make it car. So all the social media platforms now, videos are more 1 million, 2 million, 10 million views, 8 seconds videos. You see, I know where we sa content in the show, no, who's that so creative views ever cost na enche brand deals ni nyina ba na mo no adwuma. So now, first thing first, yes, I'm feeling shame. Me chat GPT, yes, any chatbot be a winning, no, say chat GPT, say Gemini, and I say cloud, ubetimi, and so create or prompt, and so me ba chat GPT me can add after me prompt ni nyina so edi aguha. So see there me me prompt ni nyina no ya me add 11th and 12th August me AI masterclass WhatsApp and I go meet. I want to make sure how you prompt all these things are waiting there videos so no where interface and I'm a demo a beginner's guide and I'm a demo on this channel. So my me chat GPT me first rescue video. So these are the prompts now my church no. I would like to give you the prompt but once I make a 11th and 12th me masterclass WhatsApp. So join the information on screen and yes, just take screenshots and text me on WhatsApp or even call me. Then taking it from there. So first scene and I said first storyline a rescue the baby bee. In the copy all these scenes. You better copy we are near flow and the flow in a document. Yes, you better flow AI. And I say whisk. First name from a whisk, but saying it's called flow AI. Uber flow, see an interface in it here. Medical catchers so this video now I'll not go into details. Now interface. I mean, 11th and 12th. Maybe code details or my masterclass and so. So Overflow, you have new projects in there. Okay, so Overflow, see an interface in it here. And see your video aspect or your image aspect or. So let's go straight to the video aspect. You buy select here your ratio at a 9:16 precon. In the paste prompt now for free chat GPT no for the rescue video 8 seconds. Equity we between TikTok, I could make it and so but best me prompt no and so so now let's give it to Flow AI. Never magical would be a prompt no ebe creative and so so a so a creative. Okay, now your video no a generator we're using Flow and click video never how I turn it out.
He's trapped in the honey. We have to help.
Look, the foreman sent a ladder. He's almost there. He made it! Hooray!
Okay, now your first video na generator a rescue video B a a womb and a giant hand be a be saving no I'm on a ladder at the afro ep. So you better download the video in our. So let's download the video from here. Good video not download there. So let's go back to chat GPT now for another prompt from this rescue video. So first one a generator let's come to the second video into young copy and also very simple. Into that video, you know, between a TikTok. Into my menko flow na mesanchire wa there. So you copy prompt na we and samra flow. Oba na emi done no. Into yen same paste prompt no and so e man wa. So who use flow there adwuma, they be about 50 credit free. They be 50 credit free. Into sa 50 no, betimi create 5 videos per hour. They be about 5 videos now they call TikTok. Now so who make it be successful. So now yen sample prompt no e flow. So update to Gemini so more Gemini Pro available betimi attest me na ye din e ho nkomo na upgrade your credit na monthly be about 1,000 credits now tin your videos be say enso e the amount. So second video enso e load the area the third video me create 3 videos from the rescue me we am car unveiling me create another 3 videos we am a skeleton me create 3 videos ne fe there me jao to this videos no try so create mo back am one TikTok account bonus consistency. Go senche now so I hit TikTok Okay, now your second video is already ready. See how I rescue the so called.
We are saved. Thank you. We are free. Hooray!
Okay, where your second video from Flow. Then you rescue video. Have tiny people so and more a rescue or more. And so okay, so now I can last video strawberry cliff rescue and see mommy copy this prompt no I mean farmer flow. Here we are able next video, that is next. And no car unveiling. If they are skeleton na Stigman video ni dey medical creating home video actually how I create Stigman videos on this platform. Wait my check my previous video. Now on so when you access to that video. By now, make sure rescue, car unveiling, and skeleton videos. How to create all these videos. And they are very simple. 8 seconds when we not at TikTok. Bonus for 3 months. Once a consistency in man, it will make money for you. Yes. Now but me Facebook shops. Over high a trend. Yeah, is AI no. Over AI your channel as well. And on a trend. So start to create something like this for yourself. And now the last scene. Me generate here and so we are then take it from there to the next scene. Okay, and also it's almost done. We are in the how and so 10 here.
Hooray! Hooray! Well done, everyone!
Okay, and also we then you download it from here. Maybe be a sample. And so my download video now. So now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now memory skeleton videos and so you make create skeleton videos my home. So let's come to this side. Skeleton videos no my way prompt. My catch yourself so how I prompt well detailed prompt say my 11th and 12th me masterclass. Now we'll see how I church a prompt and so my home. In the first scene, and also 8 seconds video. My copy me prompt in I must go back to Flow AI. Maybe I work with 5 now we are going to mean creative beam. But catch yourself why do credit. Yes, me use paid version to make unlimited video. Can input so in some paste the same prompt. See the yema rescue videos in the same process now. In some creating in fact the same process on Emma this skeleton video near how and so bit me attending. Okay, so the first skeleton video no I will make sure and say me per se skeleton or gym. Skeleton or gym. See how funny it is. No creative baby so media as well. I'm on phone. And tell me how I and also attending. So you can start creating some such videos for yourself. Into my main download this skeleton video no. Then some another scene. You create 3 from skeleton if they are calling them. Then you know 8 seconds. So start creating such videos for yourself. So let's take this number 2 and I'll say master chef. Skeleton master chef. And you able to copy the same thing, the same procedure. Nyaba. Nyaba paste flow. Famano, the train can so be generative video no and so at the amount. So now your second video now ready for the skeleton original kitchen cookie. So you have video no then take it from. Okay, now also when me download na bibia akoyi and so at the amount where your flow interface no okay details are join my masterclass my next month August 11th and 12th. When I make sure character consistency from generating engineering works in the course of flow. No. So now you have the last video for the skeleton if you proceed to the car unveiling videos na trend on TikTok no. And so you copy your free video no na you side about flow. We are not your bit me put together. And so you how it goes. Okay, and that's why so you're creating 6 videos using Flow AI. Matima create 6, we'll be create 5 because I saw subscribe to Flow now you more credit. Yes, intimacy or Gemini Pro with my more credit and so akoso. And here when create 3 videos for the car unveiling and see a nature bit me creating. It's my show this videos bit my form back. Now that you work with media. So let's go back to ChatGPT. I remember if I make a review no and so ever. I know they make creative bait to benefit the BBA abba every year. So let's come to this side. So yeah, copies are prompt no. So yes, I'm ready flow AI. So yeah, ba yam family mano. Now you hear how flows be creative BBC and so their my ratio no more be say 9:16. Yes, any TikTok size, YouTube shots. Say be film screen now here. I won't say who have BB phone and I won't say a fairly screen no. Yes, that is 9:16. But ko BBC a YouTube size a 16:9. Tia fa no show with him. Na BB aso ko yi emfa emma. We no be creative the car unveiling video no two pe. If them a jaw, na ko try also hands e wo ho. You understand? Good. Now, the first video of the car unveiling, are you ready? Into your boss in how and so attending out. That's all. So much of 3 videos and also 3 next. I bet master creative or social media, especially TikTok. For you, honum. It is always at skeleton content. And I say, be rescue. Tiny people are giant hand wow. And also be car unveiling. And also be stigma medical video my previous video. So check my channel and check it out video out.